What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the driveway, and welcome back in our old friend, the old second gen. What are we doing today? Well, first things first, I've owned a number of trucks, and I wouldn't say this is a mod. This is really not a mod, but I feel like this is something that depending on your truck and what you use your truck for, it's kind of a need. All right, so I've wanted basically a tonneau cover for the longest time, and for this truck I feel it's time. There's a couple of benefits, obviously, which is obviously if you have anything in the bed, it covers it up and gets it away from rain and what have you. Apparently there's aerodynamic advantages. Never thought of that, but apparently there's that. But let's go ahead and get started. So we've got a TruXedo truck port. There's your part number right there. This is for your 94 to 02, 2500, 3500 long bed trucks. Which again, the beds didn't change from those years. It's a soft top vinyl, and it basically has everything you kind of would expect from a soft top. All right, so the kit itself is going to have all the clasps to hold it up when you actually roll it into position if you want to actually utilize the full bed. If not, you can keep it folded down, and it's got really cool little locks right here that actually latch it in place so it stays locked down. It's only held in place essentially by 6 clasps, you know, 3 on each side of the bed rails, and they say all you need is a 1/4 inch socket. Sorry, 1/2 inch socket, and that is all you need to put this together. So we're going to go ahead and first I'm going to clean my bed up a little bit, and as you can tell, she's pretty dirty, and once we clean it up, then we'll get started. All right, guys, we got the bed, so we're sort of cleaned out. A little bit of Mother's Instant Detailer, just trying to get it a little touched up, try to get some of that old rain marks and stuff like that off the bed. You can tell she's still pretty dirty. Again, the bed's been beat up. I did paint it roughly a little over a year ago, but I didn't use any sort of bed liner. I just used what I kind of do everything with, which is Rust-Oleum, and clear coated it, and as soon as you put a trash can or something back here, it's gonna sit there and break right through. So that's my mistake. So we're gonna go ahead and prep for the TruXedo tonneau cover, get that installed. I'll put you guys on a time lapse, and then I'll cut in if there's anything special or anything really out of the norm that might cause you an issue on the install, and then at the end we'll go ahead and do the big reveal. There we go. We're all done. What do you guys think? Drop a comment down below. Tell me what you guys think. I think it came out pretty damn good. The only thing is, as long as when you're rolling it back up, that you make sure the bars stay within the rails. Aside from that, not really a difficult install. 1/2 inch bolts, no big deal. I'll show you guys how to basically loosen this thing. So under here, you're going to have this metal clasp here. Hit that one. Hit that one, boom, look at that. Loosens right up. Like I said, guys, not a big install by any means. Minimalistic hand tools. So do what you guys always do. Like, share, subscribe, P-Pump the world, and I will see you in the next video.